This is Movie Shelter, and today we'll do the unboxing of two editions of the Last Action Hero, Zavvi, and from Magnificent from China. First of all, I will do the unboxing of the Zavvi edition. Received it without the protective film. I don't know why. It was not included. There was this small scratch here and the corner was bumped. But overall, the edition looks okay. So on the top we have the full sleeve. The quality of this full sleeve is, let's say, okay. Maybe for the price I would expect something a little bit more, at least some spot gloss or embossing, debossing, something like that. But still, I think that this edition looks good. On the back, I was expecting something different, maybe some original poster of the film, but still I think it's nice. Let's see it in the close-up. So inside we have the steelbook and the folder with postcards and the poster. So the folder is made, and here we can see that there is an X from the main villain, and the title is with little spot gloss. It's nice, and I think that it would be even better if this would be the main full sleeve. Side we have ticket replica, which is basically the cardboard, nothing special. My edition number is 1765 and it was limited to 2000. And the postcards. On the back there is some spot gloss of the different eyes that the main villain was wearing. This is a nice touch, I think, and it's very well done. And the poster, classic poster. So, and on the back, great. This I like. So we have here the J card. Okay. The steelbook with the classic cover, which is made. I really think that the steelbook would be much nicer if the Schwarzenegger and Last Action Hero title would be in spot gloss. Same probably with this element, or at least the ticket. And on the back. Okay, so inside we have 4K disc and the normal Blu-ray, and here we have a very nice picture. I really like this art that they put inside, it's looking very cool. And the back. Nice edition, very nice. Maybe the price was a little bit too high for this, but still I believe that this was pretty good. And let's see what we have here from China. So Magnificent. Okay, let's open it. So here we have the police badge. The police badge is, as you can see, glued on the top. It has some embossing, so it's really nicely done. Here we have the spot gloss on the top, showing the leather jacket of the main character. On the side we have Arnold Schwarzenegger and the Mag logo. From this side we have the main villain. On the top we have "See, Hollywood is writing our lives." And on the back there is number. It's 159 from limit to 100 for the international market. And inside we have as well as the certificate. So there is a hologram, number, and the letter from the CEO in Chinese and English. So here we have the 3 box sets. So let's start from the first one. So here we have the box. Because here in this world the bad guys can win. And on the top the box is very well made. There is some kind of a pattern on the top and on the sides as well. And here we have the eyeballs, which are pretty nice. I think that they are a little bit bigger than the eyeballs, but still they are quite cool. The second box is, I think, the empty shell. So if you want to put our edition inside this one, there is this space. I'm not a fan of such pictures, especially that this don't look like Robert Patrick at all. Here we have the space protector and a golden ticket. This one looks very nice. This has really a whole foil effect. So this was something that I was expecting in Zavvi edition. Okay, for sure it's not the same as the hollow foil, but this one on the top is very similar. I think here we have more details than on this one. This one looks like more used one, and it's a little bit bigger, but it's very much the same as this one, but totally different than this one, and this one is really cool. So the Magic Knights. If you, for example, bought the standard Steelbook edition, you can put it inside here. It fits nicely. So you don't need the Zavvi edition. If you have this one, you can put the Steelbook still in this nice form. And last but not least, okay, this is good. So on the top we have glossy effect with some embossings. Okay, we have the title and all the details as well, which is very cool. On the back there is the title. I'm not a fan of this color, and that this Blu-ray logo is so big. I think those sizes are just better on this one, but you cannot compare them at all, because this for sure looks much better. And here we have lenticular effect. So we have some information about the disc. We have the box set with Schwarzenegger sides, and here this one. So the case cover is a little bit like photoshopped, but it's okay. And this one is nicely done. On the back we have such a nice art. Okay, that's all. If I could choose the best edition, I think the best way is to go with Magnificent edition and to buy the Steelbook with 4K, because this edition is only with a normal Blu-ray. So if you want to have the 4K, the best way is to buy the Steelbook separately, buy the mag and to put it inside. Generally you will have everything, because in the Zavvi you have of course some different postcards and the poster, but in general I think that this package is just much better than the Zavvi one. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like the video, put the thumbs up, and see you soon. Bye.